Hello guys, welcome to DennisTechTips. Today I want to show you how to use your phone as a webcam. You might want to do this probably because the quality of your webcam on your laptop or your PC is terrible, or the webcam is bad. If you have a phone that has an amazing camera quality, you can connect it to the webcam on your PC and it will maintain the same camera quality of your phone. To be able to do this, we are going to be using an app called Iriun. You can download Iriun on both your phone and PC. To download Iriun on your PC, head over to your browser and then search for iriun.com. The link is in the description. Right here you can download and install Iriun on Windows, Mac and Linux. So go ahead and hit on the button that matches the operating system you are using to kick off your download. To download Iriun on your mobile phone, if you are using an iPhone, head over to your App Store, but if you are using an Android phone, head over to your Play Store. The app works on both iPhones and Android phones. On your search for Iriun, and you find the Iriun app as the best match. Click on the install button to download it. But if you already have the Iriun app on your mobile phone, click on the open button to launch. Before proceeding, make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, or you can connect the PC to the hotspot on the phone. That will work too. When the app is running on both devices, hit on the connect button on the phone and that's it. Now you can see that my phone camera is projected to the PC and it's maintaining the same camera quality as the phone. I know this is not the best camera quality obviously, but if you have something better it will come out perfect. Right here on the phone you can mirror the screen with this button. You can also toggle between front and back camera. Within the settings button up here, you can change the orientation to either portrait or landscape. There are a few other settings, you can play with them to see what they do. You can use this as a webcam when you're on Zoom, OBS, Skype, or any other platform you can select a camera. You will see Iriun there listed as one of the cameras you can use. One more thing, you can also use your phone as a wireless microphone when you connect with Iriun. You can use it on apps like Audacity, Zoom, OBS, Clownfish, VoiceMod, and any other platform that you can select an input device. Select Iriun as the input device and you are good to go. So that's it. That is how to use Iriun and also how to use your phone as a webcam. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.